The Child and Adolescent Learner and Learning Principles Summary for Week 1 to 3. In Week 1, our topic is all about human development. It includes the meaning, concept, and the approaches. Human development refers to the physical, cognitive, and psychosocial development of humans throughout the lifespan. Human development is defined as the process of enlarging people's freedom and opportunities and improving their well-being. Human development is about the real freedom ordinary people have to decide who to be, what to do, and how to live. In human development, there are three domains that are involved. First is the physical domain, second is the cognitive domain, and the third is psychosocial domain. In physical domain, it involves the height and weight charts that pediatrician consult to estimate if babies, children, and teens are growing within normative ranges of physical development. Example, the large muscles groups needed for activities such as swimming, running, or skiing. Cognitive domain involves knowledge and the development of intellectual skills. This includes the recall or recognition of scientific facts, procedural patterns, and skills. Example, listen to others with respect. Psychosocial domain, sometimes known as affective, is the development of emotions, temperament, and social skills. The way children play in an early childhood program shows the type of atmosphere it is. It shows the emotional, social, creative, and spiritual components of it. Example, the emotions, personality, self-esteem, and relationships. Human development have some major principles. Development is relatively orderly. Right, the pattern of development is likely to be similar. The outcomes of developmental process and the rate of development are likely to vary among individuals. Development takes place gradually. Development as a process is complex because it is the product of biological, cognitive, and socio-emotional processes. There are 5 characteristics of the lifespan perspective. First is the development is lifelong. Second, development is multidimensional. Third, development is contextual. Fourth, development is plastic. And 5, development involves growth, maintenance, and regulations. In human development, there are 12 principles of child development and learning that inform practice. These are the 12. So I learned that human development involves studies of the human condition with its core being the capability approach. The inequality adjusted human development index is used a way of measuring actual progress in human development. The top reasons for studying human development are to gain an understanding or your own life experience, help others understand what they're going through, understand the relationship of society and individuals' growth, lead more effectively. Week 2, the stages of development. So our topic is all about the stages of development and development tasks. In developmental tasks, there are 8 stages of development. There are prenatal period from conception to birth, infancy from birth to 2 years, early childhood, and of infancy to 5 to 6 years, grade 1, middle and late childhood 6 to 11 years of age, the elementary school years. Adolescents 10 to 12 years of age, ending up to 12 to 22 years of age. Early adulthood from late teens of early 20s through the 30s, lasting through the 30s. Middle adulthood, 40 to 60 years of age. So I learned that the stage of development is an age period when certain needs, behaviors, experiences, and capabilities are common and different from other age periods. The most important reasons for monitoring each child's development is to determine whether a child's development is on track. Looking for developmental milestones is important to understand each child's development and behavior. Milestones can help explain a child's behavior. In our week 3, the topic is teacher as consumer and user of research, teachers as research. The specific method, research design, data gathering, and techniques. So in teachers as consumers and users of research, research give teachers and also policymakers important knowledge to use in this decision making for the benefits of learners and their families. Well-informed teachers are able to use and integrate the most authoritative research findings. Research enables teachers to come up with informed decision on what to teach and how to teach. This involves decisions related to educational policies, curriculum, effective learning processes, and even those involving research too. It can help us to be more knowledgeable about how to fit our teaching development levels of our learners. So in scientific method, there are 5 steps of the scientific development. First is identify and define the problem. Second, determine the hypothesis. Third, collect and analyze data. Fourth is formulate conclusions. 5, apply conclusions to the original hypothesis. So, research design. In research design, there are 8 research design. First, case study. Second, correlational study. Third, experimental. Fourth, naturalistic observation. 5, longitudinal. 6, cross-sectional. 7, sequential. 8, action research. So, in the gathering, there are 5 techniques. First, observation. Second is psychological measures. Third, standardized. Fourth, interviews and questionnaires. 5, life history records. So, I learned that teachers as customers and users of research, teachers can make educated decisions about what to teach and how to teach. Thanks to research, this includes choices affecting curriculum, effective teaching and learning strategies, educational policies, and even research-based choices. Through testing and experimentation, the scientific method establishes facts in an unbiased manner, making an observation, formulating a hypothesis, making a prediction, carrying out an experiment, and then evaluating the findings are the fundamental steps. The research design refers to the overall strategy that you choose to integrate the different components of the study in the coherent and logical way, thereby ensuring you will effectively address the research problem. It constitutes the blueprint for the collection, measurement, and analysis of data. Data collection is defined as the procedure of collecting, measuring, and analyzing accurate insight for research using standard validated techniques. A researcher can evaluate their hypothesis on the basis of collected data. So that is my summary about our one week 1 to 3 topic of the adolescents and children learner subject.